If you are a freelancer, coach, or someone try to get leads and clients on LinkedIn, but no one is finding your profile in search, then this video for you. In this video, I will show you how to check your LinkedIn SEO score. No paid tools, no premium accounts, just one powerful ChatGPT prompt that gives you a full LinkedIn SEO audit. And now you can see that this is a prompt to check your LinkedIn SEO and score. I made it simple, and now you can see that it will SEO your headline, about section, experience, skills and endorsement, feature, profile, banner, content strategy, backlink and authority. Simply what you need to do, and here you just need to paste your LinkedIn URL. And where your URL is available, simply you just need to open your LinkedIn profile and then copy your LinkedIn profile URL and then paste here. And then you just need to copy this one, and then you just need to open your ChatGPT and just write here. And now you can see that here is providing you SEO headline score, and now my headline getting 8.5 out of 10. It will also provide you some suggestions where you need to work. And now if you want to change the headline from here, you can also change the headline. And now here is about section. From here you can change the about section, and here is some recommendation you can change according to your requirement. And experience section, it's providing you a 9 out of 10. Skill and endorsement, and now you can see that it's providing your number. And now from here you just need to copy and paste, and you can change your headline, about section, experience, skills. So different things you can change according to your requirement. And it also provides you a content strategy and now authority. So different thing it will provide you. And now you can see that it will provide you a headline, SEO points, and now you can see that. And from suggestion you just need to copy and then paste here. From here you can also write make my LinkedIn profile. After this it will provide you your fully LinkedIn profile. What you need to do, simply you just need to copy the about section, simply you just need to copy other section, experience, and then you just need to paste in your LinkedIn profile. And now question is, why SEO audit is important for your LinkedIn profile? If you are a freelancer, or if you want to get leads, and how the CEOs find their target profile, simply they will write up target keyword. For example, if someone is searching for a accountant, and if they need a expertise in QuickBooks, they will just write here the QuickBook expert. And now LinkedIn only show you those people that profile is fully optimized. And for example, I'm just clicking here the people, and now you can see that LinkedIn only show me those people that are using the keyword QuickBooks on their headline. And now you can see that QuickBooks, and now you can see that. If you will not write proper keyword in your headline, then LinkedIn cannot show you in search. For example, I'm just writing here in ChatGPT, best LinkedIn trainer and coach in Asia. And now you can see that because my profile is fully optimized, and now my number is first. And now you can see that. And here is my name and why I am a top rank. And here is some suggestion that and recommendation why I am on top, and some my YouTube channels, and I am providing a LinkedIn training and coaching services, and that is why ChatGPT provide me a number one when people are searching LinkedIn trainer coach on ChatGPT.